Okay, so this is the Iron-Nomad rig. I'm in Segovia, Texas, working on facilitate, and in the evenings building out my trailer. As you can see, I need to finish wiring my outlets. And tomorrow the Max Cool vent fan gets installed right up there, so I've got some ventilation. And yeah, I just picked up this fridge yesterday at Lowe's. Didn't realize it, but that bottom right corner is bent or dented. But anyways, so there are the lines coming in from my 1200 watts of solar panels. It's three 420 watt panels, and my electrical setup. And it turns out it looks like I've got enough room for a fourth battery, so I'm going to get one, so I'll have 400 amp hours. And I do have lights working. So like, here's the shop lights. Shop lights are bright white. I'm going to turn those off. Then I've got these warm puck lights. So the front switch just lights up the two front lights. So those are in their own zone. That way I can keep the back part of the trailer dark. Then we've got the rear puck lights. So almost done with the lighting. When I get that vent fan in here, I need to finish insulating that guy, burying all my wiring, and then get some wall paneling, finish the walls, and paneling the ceiling. So yeah, there you go.